I'm Dr. Shraddha Shah, Vitreoretina and Uvea Consultant at Center for Sight Chembur. Today we'll be discussing age-related macular degeneration. As your age increases, that is beyond 50 years of age, there is a wear and tear in the retina which results in deposits of certain substances, which medically we call it as drusins, which settle at your macula, resulting in loss of vision. So when there is degeneration of the macula, the patient has symptoms such as loss of vision, or as early as that you can have distortion of vision. ARMD is seen commonly in elderly patients above 50 years of age. The risk factors are smoking, drinking alcohol, obesity, and many more. There are two forms of ARMD. One is dry ARMD and wet ARMD. Depending on the type of ARMD the patient suffers from, treatment is given accordingly. If it's a dry form of ARMD, treatment is given in the form of multivitamins. These multivitamins are specific for the retina. They have certain pigments that help strengthen the retina. Other ways to improve the strength of the retina is by improving your diet. One is including more of red and green leafy vegetables. And obviously, if you are a smoker, to stop smoking completely. So wet ARMD is basically collection of the fluid and blood in the retina. This can be treated with the help of intravitreal injections. So these intravitreal injections are given in loading doses, that is every monthly at 1 month, 2 months and 3 months based on your OCT scans, that is the optical coherence tomography scan sections of the macula. Seeing how much the fluid and blood is there, we then decide to further go ahead with injections if need be. These injections are injected inside the eye. The molecule goes into the retina and binds with the antibodies and reacts to prevent further bleeding. So to conclude, age-related macular degeneration is a very common condition seen in our country, and all patients above 50 years of age should ideally get a regular checkup with their retina consultant to make sure if they are suffering or not suffering from ARMD.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.